Today, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your website on Cloudflare for free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your site live and speedy on Cloudflare's global network, no expensive hosting required. No complicated configurations. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for the fastest way to launch a project, you'll walk away ready to share your site with the world. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you haven't already made an account, go ahead and do that. It's totally free and the process is quick. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left. You'll notice an option labeled Computer and AI. Click on this to expand the menu. Within that, you'll see Workers and Pages. These are Cloudflare's tools for serverless apps and, more importantly for us, static websites. Go ahead and select Workers and Pages. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to create your application, which is just Cloudflare's way of grouping all your site files together so they can be deployed globally. Hit the button that says Create Application, and you'll see a few options for getting started. At this point, Cloudflare gives you the choice to connect your GitHub account, which is amazing if your code lives on GitHub. This allows for automatic updates every time you push a change to your repository. If you want your deployment to be hands-off in the future, I definitely recommend linking your GitHub. For folks who just want to test things out though, or maybe you just have the files on your computer, you can also upload them directly. Cloudflare even offers a Hello World template if you just want to see how it all works or do a quick test run. Templates are handy because they give you sample code that you can modify. But for this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to upload your own files. To do that, simply select the option to upload your project. You can just drag and drop your site files right into the window. Make sure you include your HTML, CSS, images, everything your site needs to run. Just like packing a bag for a trip, it's important not to forget any essentials. Double check that you're including everything, even if it feels minor, because that will save you some troubleshooting later. Once your upload is complete, pause for a moment. I always like to check that the correct files show up and that the structure looks right. It's a little like checking your grocery list before you leave the store, better safe than sorry. If something's missing, no worries, you can always go back and add it before moving forward. When you're ready, find the Deploy button and click it. Cloudflare now takes care of all the heavy lifting within just a few moments. Your website will be built and instantly available on their edge network. This means your visitors will get snappy load times anywhere in the world, which is pretty incredible. Deployment might take a minute or two, so don't worry if it doesn't go live instantly. Just give it a moment and let Cloudflare work its magic. And just like that, your website is live. You'll get a link to view your new site. Go ahead and open it up in a new tab, maybe even share with a friend to make sure everything looks the way you want. So to recap, we navigated to Workers and Pages in Cloudflare, created a new application. Either connected GitHub or uploaded our own files and hit deploy. It really is that straightforward, and you can now say you've deployed a site to Cloudflare for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want to see more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy deploying.